Welcome back to Tech Talk, your source for the latest tech news and reviews. Today, we're exploring the top 5 AI-powered gaming laptops of 2025. These machines don't just play games, they use the latest AI technology to boost performance, cooling, and even battery life. Let's jump right in. This is the biggest and most powerful gaming laptop on the market today. Why is it the best? It's packed with the latest Intel Core Ultra 9285HX processor combined with the NVIDIA RTX 5090 GPU, the highest performing graphics card you can get. This laptop has a massive 18-inch 4K mini LED screen, which means you get stunning visuals with perfect colors and incredible brightness. But raw power can cause heat, and MSI fixed this with an advanced vapor chamber cooling system. It keeps the laptop cool even under the heaviest workloads. Plus, it supports Thunderbolt 5 ports for super fast data transfers and connecting external displays. If you want the best of the best for gaming, VR, or AI content creation, this is the laptop for you. Next up is the MSI Raider 18 HX AI. This laptop offers almost the same power as the Titan, but with some important improvements. It uses the same powerful CPU and GPU options, but with better thermal design that means quieter fans and cooler operation. It's built for gamers who want top-tier performance without the noise and bulk. Also, AI helps optimize power use so you get longer battery life during light use, and more power when you really need it. It's a perfect choice for serious gamers who want performance and comfort. The ROG Strix Scar 18 is designed for competitive gamers. Why? Because it features an ultra-fast 240Hz mini LED display that makes every frame look smooth and crisp, crucial for fast-paced games. It also uses the Intel Core Ultra 9285HX processor with the latest RTX 5090 GPU, giving you the power to run any game on max settings. ASUS includes AI-driven utilities that manage your laptop's temperature and performance in real time, so you never have to worry about overheating during intense gaming sessions. It's built tough, cools smart, and plays faster, ideal for esports pros. The Razer Blade 16 balances power and portability. It comes with a beautiful 16-inch QHD+ or 4000 display that switches between high resolution and high refresh rate, so you get the best of both worlds: sharp visuals and smooth gameplay. Inside, it packs an Intel i9 or AMD Ryzen AI9 processor and RTX 5070 to 5090 GPU, powerful enough for serious gaming. Thanks to AI-driven thermal management, it stays cooler and quieter than many other laptops this powerful. If you want a laptop that looks great, feels premium, and still delivers desktop-level performance, this is your pick. Last, but not least, the ASUS ROG Flow Z13 is unique. It's a 2-in-1 convertible laptop and tablet powered by the AMD Ryzen AI Max Plus processor and a capable Radeon GPU. This means you can use it as a traditional laptop for gaming or flip it into tablet mode for creative work or casual play. AI technology helps manage power and performance, so it runs efficiently whether you're gaming or drawing. If you want a laptop that offers flexibility, portability, and AI-enhanced gaming in one package, this is the best choice. Each of these laptops brings something special to the table, but they all share one thing: cutting-edge AI technology that makes gaming and creative work smoother, faster, and smarter. Whether you want the ultimate desktop replacement, a balanced all-rounder, or a flexible 2-in-1, 2025's top AI gaming laptops have you covered. Which one caught your eye? Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more tech talk reviews and updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.